In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create unlimited Snapchat accounts without providing your original phone number or email address, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. So if you want to create an account on Snapchat but you do not want to provide your original phone number or email address, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser and go to this website called Tempmail, Tempmail. Now wait for a few moments. Once the email address is created for you, click on copy. And now using this email address, create your account on Snapchat. Once you have created the account, you will be required to provide the verification code that will be sent to this email address. So in order to get that verification code, you need to come back to this page and scroll down. And here in this inbox section, you will receive the OTP code. Once you have received the code, paste it on your Snapchat and your account on Snapchat will be created without your phone number or email address. In this way, you can create unlimited Snapchat accounts without using your original phone number or email address. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.